We don't know much about the Samsung Galaxy S11 yet. But we do know when it might land, namely February 18. That date has been put forward by a source speaking to SamMobile. Though the site adds that it's not confident enough in the source of this information to put our weight behind a date provided. That, coupled with how early this is to be hearing a date, means we'd take this with even more salt than most rumors. Having said that, February 18 is a very believable date. As the Samsung Galaxy S10 was announced on February 20th of this year, and the Galaxy S9 landed on February 25th of 2018. So if nothing else, then an announcement in mid-late February is likely. The Google Pixel 4 is landing much sooner. The OnePlus 7T Pro could be coming soon to read our full Samsung Galaxy Fold review, but while recent Galaxy S phones have landed in that period. Some previous models have landed in other months, though almost always early in the year. It's worth noting that if this date is right, then that would mean the Samsung Galaxy S11 would land before MWC 2020. A major mobile trade show held in late February, with the source adding that it will be unveiled at an event in San Francisco. That wouldn't be surprising either. Samsung sometimes uses MWC to unveil flagships, but not always.